Hello my lovelies, it's Nisha. So in today's 5 minutes I am going to use the Natasha Denona 5 pan palette in number 08. I bought it a while ago and to be honest I bought it for these three colors. This color, this peachy beautiful rose gold color. I wouldn't even call it rose gold. To me this is true peach. It's just beautiful. I wasn't too sure about these two colors. These are, I will show you the swatches in a minute. These are sort of grey with a mossy green undertone, khaki undertone. None of them are matte, although this one is satin that you can use in your crease as matte, and this one is not too shimmery. So here are the swatches. They are really, really beautiful. But I think I bought it in the summer. So in the summer, you can see a dip in this one. I was mostly using this one and this one. I maybe did by myself a couple of looks with these two. So today I wanted to have a go again at it because to me this is a strange combination, but I think it could work. So on Rifa 13, I am going to go to this darkest one that is like a satin, and I will try gently, because I don't know how dark it is, to apply it in my crease. Yeah, so this one has a slight shimmer to it, but it's not too shimmery that it looks bad in a crease. And then I'm going to blend it upwards. I'm going to also apply it with the same brush on the outer V. So this is very cool eyeshadow, a bit like this would fit right in with her Glam palette. And of course the peach is quite warm, that's why I think it's quite an interesting combination. On Sonia G Worker Pro, I am going to go to this peach color and apply it on most of my mobile lid right up to that crease. Now this eyeshadow on its own looks pretty. When you wet the brush is even more intense. And also what I've done before is I put underneath the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize eyeshadow, you know, that cream eyeshadow in rose gold I think, and that gives it really, really intense look as well. But even with a dry brush you can really build that up. And now with the other side of this brush I will go to this lightest eyeshadow and apply it more in a corner, and that eyeshadow is really, really intense. All these eyeshadows are beautiful in here. And you know, even though I was not sure about this combination, I think it's quite nice. So I'm going to deepen up this crease with that dark greyish green color. Now with Rifa 28, I'm going to wet that brush and go back into this dark grey color and really darken the outer V. With Rifa 15, I am going to just blend the edges. With Rifa 03, I am going to go to this a bit lighter grey green colour. Apply it on my lower lash line. This one might need wetting as well. This one is a bit, it's not as intense. I'm going to go back to the dark one and go on the lower lash line, just on like half of my eye. Then I'm going to take another 03 and I will go into this peach one. So I'm going to this peach one. And then Rifa 23, that lightest one right in my lower lash line. Sorry, in the corner. I am going to apply a bit of kohl liner. This is Delilah Longwear Pencil in Twig, so it's like a dark brown. Just from about half of my eye. And wing it a bit. I put it in my waterline as well. And now mascara. I lately have been using combination of these two. This is the Catrice Glam Sculpt and Volume Mascara and the Anastasia, is it Lash Brag, I think? Yeah, Lash Brag, so I top it off with that one. And that is the finished look. I really like it. It is very unusual a combination. If I didn't have it in one palette, I don't know if I would put these colors together, but I do really like it. You could also make it more smoky and cooler if you, instead of this peachy eyeshadow, if you use that all over your mobile lid, that would give you more of a look like the look you would get with the Glam palette. Very cool look. Can you see this with these two if you just didn't use the peachy ones at all? So you could also use the one that I've used in a crease all over the lid on its own for just like a smoky one eyeshadow look. So you can get couple 3 looks out of this palette. And yeah, I'm going to use it more often. I was using it a lot in the summer just with these two, and then I would use like a warm peach color in my crease from another palette. But I do like this look as well. Let me know what you think. On my lips, I have just the Anastasia Beverly Hills gloss in Sparkle Lava. Her glosses, the sparkly ones, are really, really pretty. So that's all I have on my lips. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this quick look. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.